I've been in all of them.
This is a
from
blizzard.
67 to
Yes.
now.
This does not look like a blizzard.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
Yeah, this is a blizzard. You haven't been outside, have you? No, you haven't.
You have to feel it.
The snow's up to my calves already out here on the side.
Why would I go outside?
I was trying to, when we parked over there, I was trying to find the curb. When I was coming across the street.
Don't put these on YouTube or anything because I'm laughing weird.
I couldn't find the curb. Aaron reached out for me because the only thing that made me know where the curb was because there's a trench over here where they cut the curb off.
Michael's not eating any of this stuff. I'm gonna eat my strawberry.
Yeah, me too.
Crazy.
Check this out.
I know.
What? Yeah, you can't look toward the lights. You gotta be away from it. And then
Whoa!
stop. What?
It made the whole...
God, look here, you should be doing it now. Holy crap!
It's on here, so don't worry.
What?
It just started blowing like crazy again.
Come check what out.
Man, northbound streets suck. When we had the blizzard in '79, I lived on Ashland.
By over there where I work? That around there? Like that?
Where I showed you when I went to Trumbull.
What?
Over by Alamo Shoe Store. I told you that's where I got hit by the car and all that.
Yeah.
I lived on Ashland when we had the '79 storm. Which, this would be the front of my house if I lived on Ashland.
Yeah.
Okay.
I lived at 5321 North Ashland, and my front door was on Ashland. Like this one has a Byron address, but we're facing Laramie.
Come on, man. Just one more. Please?
I'll do me much more.
Yeah, can you sit down?
I want to get something
Oh,
good.
look, look, look! It's doing it over there, Stella.
Oh, man. He should take that side. Cover there, I'll cover here. Oh.
Where's that line on so I can eat?
I was in the middle of sales papers.
Where's that line
Over here, please, on this side.
Oh, damn it. The fan's on. Babe.
Please, please, please.
What the hell is that?
He said that the bottom is like a custard, I guess, and then it's got the layer of raspberry or whatever, this stuff,
Yeah.
and then the fruit. But he said that all the juices in it are healthy for you.
Oh my
It's
God!
not like, are you listening?
It's not
He
like.
said that the juices, like all the stuff that they use, it's not like high fructose or nothing. He said that it's like mango juice or anything, like, you know, just other
Yeah, use natural
flavors.
fruit juice.
Come on, Stella.
Wait, I'm trying to do something here.
What you got?
A tort.
I can see Aaron through the window recording.
Huh?
I can see you through the window
Oh, I
recording.
haven't pressed the record button yet.
But your reflection is here.
Oh.
Look, Aaron. If you would face that over that way, that shit is blowing, boy. It's going around us. Thank God. You realize the house is nice and warm because we're being shielded by everything because the wind's blowing kind of west, like it's going southwest.
Been recording like for a long time.
Oh, man.
Come on, man.
Oh, man.
Bring it.
It's over there, that's why it's so long.
No, it'll come over here eventually. Flashing lights.
Did you like the way I made the stuff? I put a layer of cheese under the stuffing and on top of the stuffing.